Cybersecurity affects everyone. The internet has become part of our daily lives, but with its benefits have come some safety issues. A 2017 survey by the Canadian Internet Registration Authority showed that while the majority of Canadians use and are happy with their broadband connections, they're also concerned about their online identity, attacks against companies that hold their information, and malicious software. Knowing more about the risks online can help people to defend themselves and are important for allowing them to take control of their online security. Spreading awareness about cybersecurity and how to protect yourself in your local community can have a positive impact on people around you. The Cybersec 101 Toolkit is a free resource that helps you provide information on cybersecurity. It is a training resource built on information from leading researchers and security professionals across Canada and the world. It was developed and is maintained by SERENE-RISC, a federally funded network of Canadian academics, companies, and government departments dedicated to spreading knowledge about cybersecurity for the benefit of all Canadians. Cybersec 101 was designed together with libraries across Canada to help communities. It provides information suitable for people, both young and old, to help manage their personal cybersecurity. It can be used in libraries, community centers, aged care facilities, or for any community wanting to know more about cybersecurity. The design of the program also allows the information to be easily integrated into existing computer training programs, or be used by small businesses to increase the awareness of their customers and staff on general cybersecurity issues. The resources can be used as a series of classes, for a one-off class, as part of an existing course, or to facilitate a one-on-one information session. All of the resources can be found on the Cybersec101.ca website. The website provides a number of modules, each related to an activity online. They inform activities people can identify from their normal daily routine, such as being healthy, checking the mail, and behaving yourself, to more internet-specific topics like internet and security concepts and addressing online hate. Modules can be accessed from the drop-down menu at the top of the page or by scrolling down the home page. Each module provides a video, slides, quiz, cheat sheet, glossary of terms, and references and resources. The video shows a presentation on the module topic by a Canadian expert. This provides a resource for learning and an example approach to explaining the material. Slides can be used to support a presentation. They provide a visual cue while still allowing flexibility in the presentation of the content. There is a quiz that you can take online and share via social media. This quiz can also be used in the class as a handout. The quiz sheet summarizes the important lessons from the module. The glossary defines key terms from the module in clear language. Finally, there are the references and additional resources, including external links, helpful books, and our trainer resources. The trainer resources are where you can start to create a class of your own. These resources are divided into those that would be most useful to a lesson teacher or trainer, and those for learners. There are 5 documents provided for the trainer resource, lesson plan, lesson script, the quiz handout sheet answer key, and the resource sheet. There are 2 documents for learners, the cheat sheet and the quiz handout sheet without the answers. You can also download all of the materials in a single PDF file to print out all of the resources from a module. Together, the documents provide a set of tools that help you to prepare for providing cybersecurity information quickly and easily. It all starts with the trainer resource. The resource contains all of the information you need to provide training on a cybersecurity topic. It contains information and advice drawn from scientific research and our expert partners, distilled into easy to understand dot points. The materials are presented in a way that makes it easier to explain complex issues. Each module contains a number of teachable topics. Within every topic, there is a brief description of that topic. There are then detailed points with more than enough information so that you'll be able to selectively tailor the lesson to your learners. Finally, each topic contains a practical, positively described action that learners can take to improve their security relevant to this topic. To use the resources to create a training session, you can select the information from the In Detail section of the trainer resource. With this, you can plan your training session using the lesson plan timing sheet to help you manage time, keep track of the slides available, and reference key terms. The in-brief and in-practice messages and glossary from the trainer resource are included on this sheet to help provide consistency between your presentation, the handouts, and materials online. The lesson plan also contains suggested discussion questions, lesson plans, and advice from the session that you can use to encourage interaction with your learner group. You can use the script sheet to write a script or key points that you would like to communicate. The quiz handout sheet provides multiple choice questions designed to reinforce key points on the topics and to highlight the correct response where issues are confusing or there are common misconceptions. Note that there is a handout sheet which provides the correct option and provides a short explanation of why this is the correct answer, and a sheet without the answers that can be handed out for learners. There is also a resource sheet that can be used to highlight books that are helpful and available on the topic. Remember that the materials are designed for use in a variety of settings. They can be used in a classroom or group setting as a presentation, or even in an impromptu one-on-one session, with the slides supporting use on mobile devices. This resource was designed with the community, for the community, and it is maintained and built upon by the community, you included. If you would like to find out more about us, you can find us at SERENE-RISC.ca. If you would like to get involved with maintaining the content on Cybersec 101, you can look at our GitHub page or contact us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and like, comment, and subscribe for our other cybersecurity videos on YouTube. Cybersec 101 is freely available for use at Cybersec101.ca.